Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since we've done a good ThredUP haul. So that's what I've got for you guys today. Except this one's going to be a little different. I'm going to share some of the things that I've picked up from ThredUP recently, but then I also want to share some tips on like finding good stuff on there. That's probably like my most frequently asked question whenever I post anything ThredUP related. I get the question like, how do you do it? How do you find those cute things? So I want to share some of my top tips on how to actually like find really good things on ThredUP. So let's get into the video. Alright, where to start? Okay, we're gonna start with this piece because this is also my first tip. So the first thing that I picked up was this trench coat. It's super cute. I like the color. I like the weight of it. It's from H&M, and I really liked the cinched waist and the length of it. I don't know. I just really liked this one. But a trench coat is kind of like a random thing to pick up, maybe. But it's not random because my first tip on shopping on ThredUP is look for specific things. So I guess I would say there are a few different ways I shop on ThredUP. The first is I find a lot of inspiration from like Pinterest. So for example, I saw this picture on Pinterest and I thought, I love that look, that's super cool. I bet I could find something similar to that on ThredUP. So I went on ThredUP. First thing I found was a trench coat. So I like specifically looked for trench coats. Found this one, in love with it. I think it's so cute. And then I was like, ooh, I like these jeans. I could look at some denim on ThredUP too because ThredUP has a ton of denim. I love shopping denim on ThredUP because it's just so much less than full price. So then I found these jeans on ThredUP. This is the brand Current Elliott. Full priced. These are super expensive jeans, but I got them for a smoking awesome deal. And you can just tell these are high quality jeans. I love them so much. I love the wash. They're like the perfect length on me. I'm just obsessed with these. But it wasn't just like a random scrolling through the ThredUP site purchase. I bought these two specifically to make this outfit. Okay, so that's like the first way that I shop on ThredUP. I like actually look for specific pieces to make an outfit, usually inspiration from Pinterest. Because ThredUP has literally like thousands and thousands and thousands of clothing items, and it's just, it can be overwhelming if you're just going to like scroll through and shop. Plus it's nice that you know you're getting items that you already know how you're going to use them. You know, like it's not just a bunch of random items and then you're like, oh, I don't really know how to style these. Does that make sense? Shopping with a purpose. I use that same method for this button-down white dress. I've been loving these inspiration pictures with the vest over the white dress. I knew I could find something like that on ThredUP, and I've looked for sweater vests on there too. They have a lot, but I didn't like love any yet. So I haven't bought that yet, though I already have one from Zara that I really like. But I went ahead and grabbed this button-down dress that I found, I think it's from, yeah, J. Crew. So super cute, but again, I bought this to be able to make an outfit like this. Here's my sweater vest from Zara that I really like, that I pair with this. Okay, tip number 2 is I like to look for specific brands. So maybe I don't have like a full-on outfit in mind, but maybe I know like, ooh, I really like Free People. Free People is expensive, so I'm going to look at Free People on ThredUP. Now there's a way that you can actually save a search. So I will type in Free People, I'll put in my measurements, like everything that I want it to search for, and I try to get pretty specific when I know my measurements and everything. So I'll say like Free People size extra small and small, and then like my jean size and anything else that I want to narrow it down, and then I'll search that, and then you can actually save that search on ThredUP so that when you open the app or you go on your desktop, you can just click that save search and it will repopulate on if anything new has come in. So that way you're not just wasting your time just scrolling through all the new things, because they update ThredUP, I don't know how frequently, but very frequently. So it's very time consuming if you don't have like something specific saved. So like I said, I really like Free People. And so I found my very favorite sweater that Free People makes. It's the Easy Street sweater. It's an oversized, just really good quality sweater. I'm a size extra small and it's still like pretty big and baggy, but they're the coziest sweaters. I found not one, but two of them on ThredUp using that saved search that I'm like specifically searching for Free People items. So I'm super happy about these. They're my favorite sweater. They retail for like $128, I think. Full price, which is just a lot, and I definitely did not pay that much for these on ThredUp, though this one came new with tags, which is amazing. I also like using that method of searching for a specific brand when I shop for workout clothes. I really like Outdoor Voices. I think it's good quality workout gear, and I just like the colors that they have in their workout sets. So I just bought this sports bra. I love this one so much because of the back. It has like this deep V and it's color blocked in the back. And I was so excited to see this because I actually have the matching leggings that I actually got from ThredUp months ago. So now I have a cute matching set all from ThredUp, but it's because I use that Outdoor Voices saved search so that I know when like a match pops up. And then I also like searching Nike and Adidas as well. I've gotten a few different things from both brands over the years, but for this haul I picked up another little sports bra, little crisscrossies in the back. Okay, next, this black long line cardigan. This is another example of searching for a specific thing. I was looking for something like this in either like a camel brown color or black, and I found this one. This is J. Crew 365. It's so nice. It drapes so beautifully, and I love it. I'm so excited that I found this. Okay, next, we live in Utah now. We have lots of snow, and my son didn't have any like snow pants yet, so I typed in his sizes, everything, looking for a snow pant bib. Few popped up, so I just picked up this Columbia one. So cute. I also really liked the like military green jacket trend. So I like searched for that military jacket and I picked up this one. I really like this one because it's actually kind of comfy. It's not like a thick like restricting denim, and it's kind of cropped so it fits my small torso super well. So yeah, snagged one of these. Okay, and then the last way that I shop on ThredUp, the third way, is really just like the scrolling. Sometimes I'm just bored or just need something mind-numbing to do, so I'll just hop on there, not searching for anything specific, but just seeing, oh, I wonder what's on here, and I'll just start scrolling and then maybe come across something that I like. That's kind of what happened with these pants. I think I was just scrolling and I came across these nice like Banana Republic. They kind of look more work wear, nicer pants, and I thought, you know what? I don't really have anything like this anymore since I don't go into an office anymore. But one day something like this may come in handy. I want to dress up a little more, and I really liked these. I like the color, and they're like buttery soft. They're so comfy. So I just picked these up as well. Okay, so that is everything that I've picked up recently, but I have a few more little tips and tricks on shopping on ThredUp. Now, I found some brands that I've never heard of before. I've never bought anything from them before, just from like scrolling and picking out things. So that's been fun, discovering new brands and not just like my normal Free People, Zara. But I would say even if you're still scrolling, like have something in mind that you want to do with that piece, if that makes sense. Or before you buy it, like really look at it and think, okay, this is cute, but would I actually wear it? Or what else do I have in my closet currently that I could style with it? So that way, if you buy something, then you'll already have an idea of, okay, I know exactly how I'm going to wear that. Fourth tip, use the favorite feature. On any item, you can like click the little heart in the corner and it favorites, and it goes to like my favorites page, so you can see everything that you've liked. This is super helpful because sometimes I'll just be scrolling and I'll just like everything that I like, and then I'll go back to my favorites page and actually like look at everything, or like for example for that button down white dress, there's a lot of options on ThredUp. So I would favorite ones that I thought could work, and then I'd go to my favorite page and really look at them all right next to each other and pick which one like I think will work the best. The favorite page is also super helpful because if somebody adds something in there to their cart, then you can see that. So I'll move to like unavailable. So you can see my favorites, available and unavailable. And so if something that I really liked someone else put in their cart, I'll go over to unavailable and I can see where it is, and you can actually click to auto buy it if it gets dropped out of that person's cart. So if there's something that like you really wanted, but someone like tried to snatch it first, you can possibly get it back. And I can't tell you how many times I've like waited for other people's carts to time out so that I can put it back in my cart, because there is like a window of time that it will hold in your cart. So yeah, that's also something that I do. I'll like stalk other people's carts for the specific items that I want. So I think those are all the main tips that I have right now, but feel free to leave any specific questions or anything about ThredUp down below if you have any other questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and feel free to hit that subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube, and I will see you guys next time with a new video. Bye!